Zachary's waving for the camera. Are you saying hello, Zachary? Yes.
He's a hungry little boy over
Here's
here.
Daddy feeding Zachary his bottle. I'm making enough milk now to where we don't have to use formula anymore, luckily. Plenty of milk.
He's a death grip over here.
And so we breastfeed, and then I pump while Daddy gives him some of his bottle. It's our little nightly routine. Is he doing a number 1? You are so funny with your hands, mister.
High five.
Yes.
High five you.
Daddy's very good with him.
I think he's doing a Star Trek thing. Seriously.
What is it called? A Vulcan something or other?
Yeah.
Zachary. Trying to zoom in on him. I don't know how to zoom in on this.
Push the up button.
Oh, there we go.
Yep.
You got it running down the side of your cheek.
How embarrassing.